Coming up on Dream Room in a Day. Hey Brooke.
Hey Philip.
Hey David.
Philip.
An abandoned living room with vaulted ceilings gets a little bit of shine and a lot more personality, giving one special family a brand new space to enjoy and rediscover. Look at that crisp line. Have you ever had big DIY dreams for your home but thought, it's too complicated or there's just not enough time? I'm Philip. Most of the world knows me as DIY influencer, Philip Flop. Nailed it. I'm an engineer, a busy dad, and I've tackled pretty much every DIY you can think of through good old trial and error. I've been transforming my own home for 15 years through approachable and show-stopping room makeovers, and now I'm here to help you. Each episode, one lucky family gets in the DIY driver's seat with a little help from me to make a big idea turn into a reality. Come on in.
Oh my God!
What? This is incredible.
With the right tools, you can make your home incredible. This is Dream Room in a Day. The entryway to our home is a 2-story space. I put trim all over the walls, and then I painted the whole thing one color. Vaulted ceilings are a statement and defining feature in many homes, but they come with their own set of challenges. One way to bring a modern, uniform look to a vaulted space is through a monochromatic paint scheme. Today's family, the Bomars, are facing this exact dilemma in their dated living room, and I think the Bomar space would look great with this same monochrome look across their fireplace wall.
I'm David.
I'm Brooke.
We're the Bomars.
We have 3 kids. Jack is 12, Wes is 7, and Logan, our daughter, is almost 10. We have a dog also. I forgot, his name is Django.
Our daughter Logan was diagnosed with a rare genetic disorder called Pitt-Hopkins syndrome. Our lives kind of revolve around that, and we figure out how to make it work and have fun.
Yeah.
Bought this house in 2012.
3 days before Logan arrived.
Yep, so,
So
we've been moving in ever since. It's been a great house, great neighborhood. We love it.
Yeah, it just needs little touches here and there, and we're slowly doing room by room. We are doing our family room. It's not comfortable. It's kind of a weird layout. Fireplace is not something we love.
It's kind of become the room nobody uses.
Logan has a great relationship with her 2 brothers. They all love hanging out with her. She has her own little room off of the kitchen so we can keep an eye on her and she can kind of roam around to where she wants, and that's become like the hangout room. And having this new space, it would be a nice place for us all to come together, do new movie nights.
Have more space.
Have more space. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm here at the Bomars. I'm really excited to check out the space. I've seen pictures, but I really want to see it in person. Give me some more ideas. Let's go check it out. Hey Brooke.
Hey Philip.
Hey David.
Philip, good to see you, man. Welcome.
I'm excited to work on this room.
Too. Come on in.
Right in here.
All right, look at this. I
we
love these
are.
high ceilings. You guys are ready for a refresh?
We are.
Tell me what you like about this room and what you don't like about this room.
I like the size, the natural light. Feel like it's a good hangout space for the family. I don't really like the fireplace.
Okay.
It's a little dated. Could use a little refreshing.
What about the shelves?
I wouldn't mind seeing those go.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of shelves that are not over something, so I'm not feeling the freestanding shelf here.
Yeah, those were here when we moved in and we just kind of used them.
Excellent.
So,
I feel like the furniture layout, probably enough space for your family, but I don't know if there's enough flow through this area here. So this feels a little tight to me.
yes, I agree.
So I think we need to do something with the furniture arrangement.
Okay.
And what do you think about the color? I mean, are we talking probably darker or lighter? Are you feeling like you want to lighten up the space or you want to make it feel more cozy?
I think the wall color, keeping it light, will kind of keep it fresh and open, and then maybe make it cozy with everything else.
Okay, no, I agree with you. I mean, I think with this beautiful window, I want to keep it kind of bright in here. All right, so you guys are ready to help me out a little bit, do some DIY. Have you done any DIY in the space before?
So when we moved in, I painted the room, and it was a big adventure getting all the way up to the top. And they used to have 3 glorious shelves here, and we decided to to take one out on each side, so that was fun.
That's awesome. All right, so yeah, we'll give you some tips about painting up high today. How about that?
That sounds good.
Yeah. All right, obviously, we got to get everything out of here first so we can get painting. Let's get going.
Got all kinds of stuff.
The Bomar family has a big family space in the middle of their home that they call the abandoned space. They don't even use it, and it's right in the middle of their home. So we got to get in there and make it a space that they can really use as a family. The first thing I noticed, it's a little bit dark, and they mentioned to me that they want to lighten it up. So I think that's one of the big things that we're going to work on. And their furniture placement is bad. It's a big piece of furniture, it fits their family, but you almost can't get into the space because it's blocking the walkway. The Bomars already took 2 of their shelves down, but they have these huge shelves that are free floating into the space. They just feel awkward. They are coming down. We're gonna be using Glidden Diamond paint for the space, eggshell in the color moth gray. It's really gonna lighten up the space. It's a similar shade. They like the color, but they just want it brighter in that space, and I think this is gonna be great for that. The fireplace also needs updating. It's got some brass details that we need to get rid of, and it also has a little bit of heat damage as well. We're gonna use a high temperature spray paint to give the whole thing a crisp new black finish. When we get finished with this space, I think the Bomars are gonna love to hang out here and invite their friends over. All right, whenever we take something like this off the wall, there's always gonna be some residual caulk left behind. We can't paint over it, that's gonna look bad. We're gonna use a razor blade to scrape it all off, and then we're gonna sand it before we skim it over. See how I scraped that flush? I'm gonna hand this over to y'all, see if you can get it done.
Okay, I'll do it. It's supposed to make like a ripping sound. Maybe you should do it.
Wow. It's really important when you take something down like a shelf that's been caulked in, you have to remove the caulk before you paint. I recommend using a razor blade to scrape off as much caulk as possible, and then you can go back and put your spackle on. The fireplace has seen better days. It's got some wear on it. The brass accents I don't think fit your style at all. So we've taped it off. We're gonna spray it with some high temperature paint to get it matching the original black. It's good to go for future use.
It looks great. He's a machine. He gets after it.
Yeah, he's got great ideas. I feel comfortable with him taking over.
All right, you're up. That's gonna look so much cleaner.
So much better already.
So one of the interesting things about painting this room the first time was how high it was and doing some questionable things. Climbing these ladders, having to move them every time I got done with one section, it was a little bit dangerous.
Yes.
Hey David, let me show you something real quick. Y'all got super high ceilings. We need a tool that we can get up way in the corner without even having to get up on the ladder. I've got the Wooster Lockjaw here. It can fit a variety of brushes or other tools. Got it paired with the Wooster Sherlock. We're gonna be able to get way up there, get right in that corner, and bring the paint down. The nice thing about the Lockjaw, it's super stable. Allows you to get the exact angle you need to apply your paint. All right, Brooke, give it a try. Look at that crisp line. What do you think? Didn't that make it a lot easier?
I love it.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's a cool tool.
Even I can do it.
We got the wall cut in. Now it's time to get rolling. Sometimes it's hard to estimate how much paint you're gonna need for a project. There's nothing worse than getting done with your project and you got a couple gallons left over, or you gotta go to the store in the middle to get some more. The first step is to look at the coverage listed on the product that you're using. Glidden Diamond makes it easy to find the coverage, cleanup, and dry time info right on the back of the label. Dry time is also really important to know how long do I need before that second coat, or how long is it gonna take before I put my room back together. Glidden Diamond has one coat coverage, so we're gonna be able to do the Bomars room really quick. Y'all did a great job on this wall. I know you learned a lot of little tricks and tips today. I didn't tell you this before, we're doing this whole project in one day. So I brought in reinforcements and you guys are out of here.
One day.
One day.
Everything.
Everything in one day. So get going.
Holy cow. Let's go.
Thank you.
So we finished this huge paint job. We cut in the ceilings, we rolled all the way up using our extension pole. We got the different sheen on the fireplace and the monochrome look. I think it looks amazing. I can't wait to show the family. So all the furniture is coming out in their space, and we're bringing in a nice new sectional. It's gonna fit the space a lot better. They don't currently have a coffee table. Every space has gotta have a coffee table. So they're gonna have a coffee table up front. The corner of the room's currently empty. We're gonna bring in a nice chair and a really bold color. We also added a live plant into the space. They don't have any in their home currently. I'm gonna recommend they use the Planta app so the whole family can understand when am I supposed to water and fertilize it to keep this thing alive. I just love the way this space turned out, and I can't wait for this family to enjoy it. Hey guys, ready to see your new room?
We are, yes.
All right, let's go check it out. All right, are you excited?
Very, very excited.
Can't wait. Whoa,
Goodness.
look at that, guys.
Wow, Les, what do you think?
Let's go check it out, come on.
Pretty big change, isn't it?
Oh my goodness.
Look at how much space we have to flow through this now.
We can walk through it.
You guys want to check out this couch? I think we actually have more seating than before.
We do.
But it fits the space so much better. So I brought in all these real plants and I've got you set up on the Planta app now so it can help you learn about all the care that you need individually.
Plants are perfect for you.
The Planta app has a scanning feature that automatically identifies your plants. After taking a photo of your plant and adding in a few details, the Planta will remind you when to water, repot, and clean your plant for optimal health. I don't know if you noticed, but those shelves are gone. Look at that, they're gone! And what do you think about the monochrome look with the
Makes
fireplace?
it so much bigger in here.
Love it.
It does. It's
Those
not,
big
it's not
shelves.
as in your face, but it's still a really beautiful detail.
I think my favorite part is the fireplace. It is just gorgeous. It's seamless.
I love the couch. It's amazing. It's huge.
We can all fit on it.
All fit on it, and the boys and Logan are gonna have an awesome time playing around on it.
Is it your dream room?
It is. I
Look
would
at
have
that
never thought to do anything like this. So what's our next project?